Hi all. Let's begin our day with a smile on our face, positive thoughts in mind and energy in body. Definitely it will make our day. I am Munira, Assistant Professor in English, is here with the 5th episode of Wisdom Wise. Before I begin, I would like to rectify the fact that we all have a goal in our life. Yet, most of us fail to accomplish the goals we set for ourselves. What is the reason for that? What prevents us? How we can overcome? We have many questions in our mind. Here I am with a simple solution. That is, be fearless and believe in yourself. So, when we want to do something, first we need to believe that we can do it. Nobody else can motivate us better than ourselves. So just imagine if you have a dream and if you are going to tell that with your friends or maybe the family, they may support you. But most of the time you may get a negative comment and they may try to demotivate you. It's a natural human tendency. So people, if they find someone climbing up, they will try to put their leg down. So it's my view that if we have a certain goals in our life, if we have any dreams, then it's better not to discuss that with others. Let our actions speak louder than our words. Many of us may have certain goals like I want to go for a trip, maybe let me talk about something. It's really simple. So for example, being a girl, if I want to go for a trip or if I want to study abroad, most of the time we will be having a fear inside us like what others will think, what my family members will think about me, how I can convey this to my parents. So for that, first we need to be fearless. See, you might have seen even if we turn or throw a baby up, it will be laughing because the baby have no idea that what will happen if the baby fell down or falls down. So in the same way, when we become fearless, most of our goals is like half of our goals, the dreams is already achieved. So for that, we need to be fearless first. Then we need to believe. We need to believe in ourselves that at any cost, I can do it. We should not bother about what others will think or what others will say. Because we don't have anything to do with the conduct certificate they are giving. So it's just between you and your goal or you and your dream. Well, and down, Helen Keller, she is one of the graduates and her name is there in the list of most powerful women in the world. In spite of her disability, if she can achieve so much, why on earth we the blessed people cannot achieve something? She did it because she believed in herself. So whenever we set a goal for our life, let's believe in ourselves. Definitely we can achieve it. Do you know, the famous scientist Albert Einstein was considered as one of the slow learners. Walt Disney, the creator of Mickey Mouse, was accused of lack of creativity in the beginning of his career. Just imagine if they might have dropped at that place, their name may not have found in the list of the famous people in the world now. They all did it because they all believed in themselves. So if you want to do something, believe in yourself, believe in your ability, believe in your potentials, believe in your capacity. Definitely at the end of the day, even we will be succeeded in our life. We are the directors of our ship. Let's not allow somebody else to control that. People may say 100 things. Let's not listen to them. Then if there are something positive, definitely we can accept that. And let's not be worried about the negative comments. Let's be fearless and let's believe in ourselves and challenge you that definitely you will achieve something in our life. If you have a clear goal, definitely you will accomplish your goals.